hope when we win the midterms coming up next year that we're able to regain some of this stuff and wipe out some of these nonsensical policies they're putting up down here.
Yeah.
Because basically they saying, because, you know, a lot of people are able to get student loan forgiveness. Yeah. They're saying not you in the medical field. Not you. And those are the highest loans. Medical field loans are the highest.
Yeah.
Child. Y'all. Bye. This is what y'all voted for. This is what you voted for. This is what you getting. Bye. Y'all, make sure you have a career down there. Make sure you're making plenty of money, because what they saying is it's going to be a great divide coming up between the haves and the have-nots. Only the haves are going to be able to afford. Remember, they taking away your ACA right now. Remember we talked about that?
Yeah.
Affordable Care Act. They're taking your health care benefits away from you. And now they're saying they're not going to give doctors any loan forgiveness for their loans, making them poor. Yeah. And discouraging them for going to get those degrees. It's like, shit, I'm going to go get the degree to be a doctor, and my loan's $400,000. How the hell I'm going to pay that back?
Right.
And guess what they saying now? Nowadays, doctors don't even make the money that they used to make back in the day. You remember, you used to be like, ooh, so-and-so's a doctor. Ooh, you know, that's a good thing, baby. You set. Ooh, your mom's a doctor, your dad's a lawyer. That's great.
Right.
You know, now it's like your dad's a doctor. Okay, he's a broke bitch, just like everybody else. And that's what they doing with this thing that I just read.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all. Ooh, yeah, that's it. Poor people are not gonna have shit in the future, y'all. Nothing. And I'm not saying you poor. I'm not saying, even though, you know, you are technically poor. I mean, but it's not a derogatory. You know what I mean? Like, you a kid. You know, you ain't got no fucking career. You don't have no, you know. It just is what it is.
Yeah.
Are you offended by what I said?
No.
You shouldn't be. Okay? Oh, Lord, y'all. The girls are skating down here, y'all. The girls are skating. Turn on skating board for just one round, y'all. It says, judge dismisses Comey and James cases after finding prosecutor was unlawfully appointed. Now, Trump is tripping. Now, you know, he couldn't find nobody. The prosecutor who was supposed to prosecute this case, Trump fired him. And then put in somebody else, you know, one of his DEI hires. Yeah. He put in this lady. Trump put in a lady to prosecute a prosecutor that has never tried a case before.
Oh, come on, cat.
Did you hear what I said?
Yeah.
This comes from Associated Press. Says a federal judge on Monday dismissed the criminal cases against FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James, concluding that the prosecutor who brought the charges at President Donald Trump's urging was illegally appointed by the Justice Department. Yeah, he busy doing a whole bunch of nothing. It says the rulings from the U.S. District Judge Cameron McGowan Curry halt, at least for now, a pair of prosecutions that had targeted two of the president's most high-profile political opponents and amount to a sharp rebuke of the President Trump's administration's legal maneuvering to install an inexperienced and loyalist prosecutor willing to file the cases. Now, let me tell you something. The girl was so inexperienced that the reason why it was brought to be illegal is because guess what? She didn't show the grand jury all the information that they needed to know. She withheld information. How you going to have somebody who's never tried a case go against an attorney general?
Right.
And James Comey.
Right.
You think that their lawyers are not smart enough to be like, excuse me, where this bitch come from?
Right.
Where she graduated? How you gonna bring somebody who's never tried a case to prosecute a prosecutor?
Doesn't even make sense.
It don't make sense at all. Child. It says the rulings from the district. Oh, I already read that. It says the orders do not concern the substance of the allegations against Comey and James, but instead deal with the unconventional manner in which the prosecutor, Lindsay Halligan, was named to her position as interim U.S. attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia. Defense lawyers said the Trump administration had no legal authority to make the appointment. In a pair of similar rulings, Curry agreed and said that the invalid appointment required the dismissal of the cases. All actions flowing from Ms. Halligan's defective appointment, including securing and signing the indictments, were unlawful exercises of executive power and hereby set aside, she wrote. Now, guess what they got? It was taken down without prejudice, which means that if they assign somebody else to it, they can bring the charges back again.
Okay.
But you know what Trump's going to do, like I keep telling you over and over what he's going to do. He's going to re-sue back, appeal the case, and take it to the next highest court until he gets to his favorite place, the Supreme Court. We has ultimate jurisdiction. And guess what they're going to do? They're going to vote to prosecute these motherfuckers. That's what's going to happen. Hopefully, by the time that happens, Trump won't be president no more, and he'll get kicked out again. Bye. Again. Child, these people, I don't know. I don't even know if I would even want to read this. I don't.
Okay.
Y'all, it say right here that Nicki Minaj tells fans she's a full Trump supporter. Auto slam again.